So this is the Mi Air 2 Pro, Xiaomi's first active noise cancelling earbuds. I've been using it for several days and here's my honest review. Actually, I did a first impression video of the earbuds 2 weeks ago. You can check out if you are interested, link here. In this video, I will try to be as objective as possible and cover every detail that you might need to know about the Mi Air 2 Pro instead of you just going and getting it. You know what? Just go and get it. It's our Double 11 Shopping Festival. We have massive coupons and discounts and giveaways here. So be sure to check it out and get one for yourself or a family member as a nice gift for the upcoming holidays. Anyways, before we finally get into the review, please show some support for this channel by hitting the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Your support is important to us. Now, move to the Mi Air 2 Pro. The box comes with one charging case, 4 extra pair of ear tips, that's a lot, one Type-C cable, and a Chinese manual. The case is really well polished and has a good hand feel. It's bigger than the AirPods Pro and the Transmart Apollo Bold, but still quite portable. There is an indicator on the front, a physical key on the right side. Press once. If the indicator lights up for 5 seconds, that means it has sufficient remaining battery. If it's flashing, that means you have to charge the case. You can either use a Type-C cable or a wireless charger to charge the case, which takes about 1 hour for the former and 4.4 hours for the latter to fully charge. Now to the earbuds. It's the longest and heaviest among all 3 earbuds I've compared in this video. Also, it's the easiest one to slip off my ears, even though I've tried the best ear tips that fits my ear, which is a bit annoying for me, but most of the time if I just use it normally it seems just fine. Now let's take a closer look of other features on the Air 2 Pro. There is a smooth ceramic touch panel on the side. We'll come to the gesture control a little bit later. There are 2 mics on the earbuds. One main mic lies under the stem, while the second mic is near the touch panel. On top, there is an infrared optical sensor to detect if you wear the earbuds, and the mesh grills. I guess it's for pressure equalization. I do feel comfortable to wear and don't have that kind of build-up of pressure. Since I already put on, let's talk about my user experience. The first time you connect, if you own a Xiaomi phone, then you will like to get a pop-up. Click connect and wait for a few seconds, it will be connected. On the pop-up, it shows battery life for the earbuds and the case. You can enter the settings to see more. However, even though I changed my phone to English, it still shows Chinese here. I went to use another Xiaomi phone with the international ROM, then the pop-up, the customized settings that a Xiaomi phone is supposed to have are all gone. I do hope Xiaomi can fix this issue very soon. Anyway, here in the settings, you can choose which earbud to activate Xiaomi voice assistant, play, pause, switch to previous tune and next tune when you double tap on it. There's also a keywords feature here which allows you to activate the voice assistant or switch songs without touching the earbuds. That's convenient, but again, it doesn't support other languages other than Chinese. So guys, learn a bit of Chinese? In case you want to know other gestures, double tap on either of the earbuds to answer or end a phone call, long press either of the earbuds to switch between the ANC on, off, and transparent mode. That's basically all the gestures. Very strange, Xiaomi still doesn't offer a gesture for volume adjusting. I just don't get it. Just check out the Transmart Apollo Bold. It has everything, including an easy-to-use app. And it's English. Enough about all those. Now to the most important part, the audio quality test. Before getting into the review, please show some support for this channel by hitting the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Your support is important to us. Now move to this treadmill. So right now we're testing the core quality of the Mi Air 2 Pro. Please let me know if you can see me clearly. So right now we're testing the core quality of the AirPods Pro. Please let me know if you can see me clearly. Bye bye.
降噪开。降噪。
我出门总是带着5瓶药水，手中的卡牌不停千万到位，别跟我撒娇也别叫我宝贝。
Based on what the test I did, the Mi Air 2 Pro really did a good job. It has unnoticeable latency when playing games or viewing videos. I really like the clear, good overall audio quality, which in my opinion is better than an AirPods Pro and maybe the same as the Transmart Apollo Bolt. It also has a good active noise cancelling ability, enough to handle the daily routine. It has good battery life. I tested for 2 hours straight with ANC on. It had 70% battery left. However, despite all of those advantages, I still find it hard to recommend the Air 2 Pro if you are non-Chinese outside of China. This is because of its lack of proper language support and the price, since it's always out of stock here in China, so it's pricey for users. From my personal view, I find it's less comfortable to wear too, but some of my colleagues find they are okay, so I wouldn't say that's a deal breaker. In this case, you can either wait for an international version of the Mi Air 2 Pro, or as far as I'm concerned, I would definitely suggest you get the Transmart Apollo Bolt, as they are way more user-friendly for international users if you are looking for a budget-friendly AirPods Pro alternative. So that's the video. I hope you enjoy watching it. If you have any questions about it, just let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to check out our W11 Shopping Festival. If you missed it, you will have to wait another year. I'm Sammy. See you in the next one.